Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm absolutely buzzing to tell you all about the Good Nature Hotel Kyoto. Seriously, you need to hear about this place. Oh, and before I forget, there's a QR code right here on the screen, so you can easily scan it to check out their website and book a stay. Alright, so what makes this hotel so special? Well, it's not just a place to sleep. It's an experience from the moment you walk in. Think of an atmosphere that's both vibrant and relaxing. A perfect mix. They completely understand how to make your stay unforgettable, and that starts with the entertainment. You can seriously spend your whole day just within the hotel's walls and not get bored. First off, get ready for some serious retail therapy. They have amazing shops inside, filled with everything from gorgeous fashion and accessories to locally made crafts and stunning artwork. It's the perfect place to find a little something to remember your trip. Then, after a long day of exploring Kyoto, you absolutely have to hit up the bar. Seriously, the vibe is so chill and inviting. It's the perfect spot to unwind, sip on a delicious cocktail, and chat with other travelers. They have a fantastic selection of drinks, too, so there's something for everyone. And before you sadly pack up to leave, don't miss the gift shop. It's carefully curated with the best souvenirs. Think traditional Japanese crafts, local treats you'll crave forever, and stylish little trinkets to remember your trip by. They thought of everything. Oh, and did I mention breakfast is included? Plus, of course, they have free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Honestly, Good Nature Hotel Kyoto just gets it. It's all about creating a well-rounded and super enjoyable experience. So, what are you waiting for? That QR code is right there. Go check it out and book your stay. You won't regret it. Trust me,